my channel. Actually, I just kind of lost the desire to make YouTube videos. Mainly it was because I felt like my videos were not creative enough. Also, the makeup industry on YouTube, it's really popular. So many people do it. So I just felt like that my videos won't pop out there. I just kind of stopped making videos. Anyways, during the month of October, I started making videos. Well, it's more of like reels on Instagram for special effects makeup, and I started doing like different types of characters and things like that, and I totally enjoy that aspect of it, especially because you get to get so creative and try different things, and not everything look the same when it comes to special effects makeup. Like, there's just so many different ways that you can go, and you can add little touches that's like a little bit different based on, you know, what type of style you have. So I just hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. So today I'm gonna be doing the makeup look for Avatar. If you guys don't know what Avatar is, there was a movie release. I don't know how long it's been. It's been a while, and I remember I was sitting with my sister and my dad, and we watched the whole movie. I created this look already on my Instagram, so if you guys haven't checked out my Instagram, I will link it up here. You should go check it out. So with special effects makeup, if you're adding like prosthetics, you need to add them first before you do the makeup. So I have these elf ears. As you can see, they're already blue because I've actually created this look before, so that's why they're already blue. And I'm just gonna apply them to my ear using the gum for prosthetics are so hard. They're very sticky, so you gotta be careful. And then again, like, I know there's so many different like brands when it comes to like special effects makeup and adding prosthetics. I just picked this up from the Halloween store here in Canada. I started following a lot more accounts that does special effects makeup, so I'm super stoked at, like, some people are just so talented. It's just so amazing. Like, I love seeing all these different looks and whatnot. Adding these are kind of hard, so I'm gonna be adding it like this. There's this thing called gum remover for these ones that you should have because they're really hard to take off. Alright, you guys, the ears are in place. Kind of feels like I have blocked hearing. When you're flying, your ears get blocked. That's what it feels like right now with these. Hopefully it's gonna stay in place. So now we're gonna add the base, and I just have kind of like moisturizer on my face. I heard that when you're doing special effects makeup, it's better to have dry skin and nothing on your face. But then again, I don't want to break out. Like, my skin is actually getting cleared up, and then I have like this whole routine for my skin right now that it's really been working. Maybe I will do a video later on about all the skincare products. So anyways, I'm gonna add the base, which is gonna be blue. So I have this NYX special effects makeup. This is face and body paint, and it's called SFX cream. So I'm assuming that stands for special effects makeup. I don't know. I'm gonna go with this one. There's a lot of different types of body paints for special effects makeup. I've been seeing from Instagram because I started following all these like special effects makeup artists, and I didn't realize like how much are there for just for special effects, you know. I have this palette called I think this is from NYX is just another line, and it's called Dreamscape. And this has so many bright colors, and I've used so much. It looks pretty bad. I'm gonna be using this blue color right here as my base color. So I have the Benefit Cosmetics, what is this one called? Super Easy Brow Filling and Shaping Pencil. So I'm gonna use this to shape out my brows. So I have the Fit Me loose finishing powder, and this is in light medium. I would just be adding this in just under my eyes. Just to kind of lighten the look. What I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna be adding some of the shading with these colors. So I'm gonna go with the dark one and just add it onto my cheek like that. Kind of like there's a little bit of a shadow. I'm not very good with putting false lashes on. They're not my favorite. So I'm just gonna be using the L'Oreal Telescope, can you see it? Telescope mascara. These actually make my lashes pop out so much. And so these been working just fine instead of using false lashes. I know some people prefer to use false lashes, but you know, thankfully my parents have blessed me with beautifully long lashes that I don't need to. I mean, it definitely does make a big difference when you have false lashes, but after using this mascara, it actually makes my lashes look so nice that like I don't need to add false lashes to make it pop. Like, do you see the difference? So I love this mascara. Even without like curling my lashes, you can see how much of a difference it makes. So for the waterline, I'm going to be adding NYX, and this is called Inner Eye Brightener. That's what they called it. So alright guys, so I added the white under my on my waterline. Actually, I will put a picture here of what the makeup look should look like. So there's these lines that I need to add in. I'm just gonna be going with the lighter blue to kind of add the shadings in. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of shading to those lines that I just made with white. And I'm just gonna be adding a little bit of black shading just to emphasize that colors I just add in. this is what we gotta work with. So next up, I gotta add a little bit of pink shading underneath my eyes. So a little bit of pink shading underneath my eyes. So
what? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm just gonna be using the same palette, and I'm gonna be using this pink to add it under my nose. I'm gonna be adding MAC. This color is called Manila Mystery. I'm gonna be adding that as my lips, and I'm just gonna be adding a little bit of the same eyeshadow that I added into my nose on my lip. And if you've seen a picture or a video of Avatar, you know that she doesn't have really big lips. They're actually quite small, so I didn't outline my lips fully. Then again, I don't have big lips, so that makes it a big difference. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. My hair doesn't want to cooperate with me. It's very staticky and doesn't want to stay in place. And then the ears kind of went into two different directions. I don't know, I'm a little OCD, so that's why I'm like, no, everything needs to be perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this is going to be kind of the looks you'll be seeing from this channel from now on. Please make sure to like, comment, and share, and always remember to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you guys in the next video.